What's up guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. So in this video we are going to do something that I've never done before, you guys have never seen before, but we're gonna give it a try and see how it comes out. So the other day I was walking through Walmart looking at the toys or whatever, and I found a similar toy to like the truck I have, a 1962 C10, and I'll show you guys. I kind of started taking it out of the packaging already, but this is what it looks like. And it's very similar to the truck that I'm selling right now. The doors open, and so does the hood. Show you guys that right now. So, how do I make this truck look like that one right there? Well, the way we're gonna make this truck look like that truck I just showed you guys is we're gonna paint it. I went out and bought some paint, Rust-Oleum. It looks pretty similar to the color that the truck on the outside has. And I brought some black paint, which is gonna be like the patina that the truck in the actual truck has. So for now, the goal is to take this apart so that we don't get paint on like the windows, the wheels, or anything like that. So it does have a bunch of little screws on the bottom to start taking it apart. So that's what we're gonna do now. Boom, so we are all taken apart. I think the hardest part was probably taking off like the windshields and the back window, just because these aren't held on by screws, they're just held on like by little like nubs or whatever. So those ones were like the hardest, but now the time is to like just paint and see how this turns out. So let's get to it. I've got the door panels taped up as best as I could. They were a pain in the butt. Nothing else I could really think of taping up except for I want to keep these custom things right here on the side of the cap because my truck has them. I also want to try to keep these emblems, and I need to tape up the grill. The grill's going to be white anyways, so like I don't know about taping it up actually. I might just tape up the little lights. But other than that, we should be good to go. So those custom emblems are taped up. So are those emblems on the side. And now we get to paint. So let's get it. So it's day 2, we're back. We got it painted. This color is actually really close to the color that I have on my 62 C10. So now the plan is to just put it back together and put on some details like the patina and stuff like that, which is probably gonna be a little bit harder, but shouldn't be too crazy hard. I'm just gonna grab a paintbrush and just kind of like copy what it looks like on the truck and stuff. And I also need to paint the roof of this white because the roof of my truck is white. But after that, I think we're pretty much good. Like, it was actually a really quick project. All I did was, like I said, took the screws out that you guys saw earlier in the video. I stored the parts in a little Ziploc bag just so I wouldn't lose them, and painted what I needed to paint. And now I just got to put it together. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is put it together and see what it looks like so far. So okay, so it was a little bit of a pain in the butt. I did not expect it to be that hard to put together, but here it is, back together. I do need to touch up a few spots, like right here with a paintbrush. I put tape, too much tape over it. The roof, like I said, I have to paint that white. I do have to touch up the grill, paint that white, clean up like the little lights right here. Same for the back, so they're still red and stuff. The wood bed, it was taken off, so like I think that looks fine. So for now, that's what the plan is. But everything's in place, as you guys can see. Lighting is pretty bad, but like the engine bay's in there and everything. So let's get to making this look like that. So after letting the truck dry and everything, this is the final product. As you can see, I try to get the patina as accurate as possible to the actual truck. The wheels are white. The wheels on my truck are white. I left the little trim on there still. Bumpers are white. Grill is white. And the roof is white. The roof got a little bit messed up. I don't know if you could see like the little half. I don't know what happened. I was painting it and like it kind of started like peeling off as if I would have like put thinner on it or something, which was weird. So I'm just going to like redo that. But after that, we're pretty much done. So tell me what you guys think. Does this look pretty similar to the truck that I have on Facebook Marketplace for sale? Comment below. And so here are the two trucks right next to each other, kind of, I guess. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if they look pretty similar or if I messed up. The color I think is really, really close. The roof obviously is white. I got the bumpers accurate, white and white. The wheels are pretty accurate, but yeah. So like I said, I do have the actual version of this for sale on Facebook Marketplace. It should be in my YouTube link if you guys are interested. I'm asking $25,000 or best offer. I've gone down on the price. I don't know why, but like it seems like the prices on these trucks are like going down a little bit. I don't know if it's because of the economy or if election season is right around the corner, but normally when I'm selling a truck, I'm able to sell it in like 1 or 2 months max. But this one I've had it for like 3 months now and I haven't been able to move it. I've gotten some lowball offers, but like can't take lowball offers because then I take a loss in profit and trying to make a profit here. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more Chevy truck videos, Corvette videos, any car that I pick up kind of videos, because you know Oscar the truck guy is not only a truck guy, he's a car guy now that I own a Corvette. But let me know what you guys think of this truck, and thanks for watching.